The Mediterranean Sea, a cradle of civilization, a place of beauty, but this sea holds a secret, a salty secret. For centuries, the Mediterranean Sea has been getting saltier. Water evaporates from the sea, leaving salt behind. Rivers bring in fresh water, but it's not enough. The Mediterranean is one of the saltiest seas on Earth. This is a problem. A big problem. Why is the salty sea a problem? Because it harms the environment, and the people who depend on it. Too much salt is bad for marine life. Fish, plants, and other creatures struggle to survive. Some species even disappear. The salty water also affects people. It damages crops. It makes it hard to find fresh water. It threatens the livelihoods of millions. Scientists knew something had to be done. The Mediterranean Sea, a cradle of ancient civilizations and a vital resource for millions, was in peril. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change had taken a toll on its delicate ecosystem. The once vibrant waters were now struggling to sustain life. The urgency was palpable among the scientific community. They gathered from various disciplines, united by a common goal: to save the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean Sea needed help. Its azure waters, which had inspired poets and explorers for centuries, were now at risk of becoming a lifeless expanse. The biodiversity that thrived beneath its surface was dwindling, coral reefs were bleaching, fish populations were declining, and the overall health of the sea was deteriorating. The scientists knew that conventional methods wouldn't suffice. They needed a groundbreaking solution. They came up with a bold idea: remove the salt. Desalination, a process typically used to provide fresh water in arid regions, was proposed on an unprecedented scale. The concept was simple yet revolutionary. By reducing the salinity of the Mediterranean, they could create a more hospitable environment for marine life. This would not only help restore the ecosystem but also provide a sustainable source of fresh water for the surrounding regions. This was a massive undertaking. The logistics alone were daunting. They needed to design and build state-of-the-art desalination plants, capable of processing millions of gallons of seawater daily. The infrastructure required was immense, involving advanced technology and significant financial investment. But the team was undeterred. They were driven by the vision of a rejuvenated Mediterranean, teeming with life and vitality. It had never been done before on this scale. The sheer magnitude of the project was unprecedented. They were venturing into uncharted territory, pushing the boundaries of science and engineering. The risks were high, but so were the potential rewards. Success would mean a healthier sea, a more stable climate, and a better future for the millions who depended on the Mediterranean for their livelihoods. But the stakes were high. Failure was not an option. The Mediterranean's decline had far-reaching implications, affecting not just the environment but also the economies and cultures of the region. The scientists felt the weight of responsibility on their shoulders. They knew that their work could set a precedent for other regions facing similar challenges. The world was watching, and they had to succeed. The future of the Mediterranean was at risk. The project required collaboration. No single entity could tackle this alone. It demanded a concerted effort from scientists, engineers, policymakers, and local communities. They had to pool their expertise, share their resources, and work together towards a common goal. The spirit of cooperation was palpable. As professionals from different fields came together, united by their commitment to saving the Mediterranean, scientists, engineers, and governments from across the Mediterranean region came together. They formed a coalition dedicated to the cause. Meetings were held, strategies were devised, and plans were set into motion. The project became a symbol of hope and resilience, demonstrating what could be achieved when humanity united for a common purpose. The collaboration extended beyond borders, transcending political and cultural differences. They shared their knowledge and resources. Data was exchanged, best practices were implemented, and innovative solutions were explored. The collective effort was a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As the project progressed, there was a growing sense of optimism. The Mediterranean, once on the brink of collapse, now had a fighting chance. The bold idea to remove the salt was no longer just a dream, it was becoming a reality. The project relied on desalination. This process removes salt from seawater, it turns it into fresh water. Giant desalination plants were built along the coast. These plants used cutting-edge technology. They were powered by renewable energy sources like solar and wind. The plants worked tirelessly day and night. They removed vast quantities of salt from the sea, The fresh water was then used for drinking, irrigation, and industry. Section 5. The hurdles. The project faced many challenges. Some were technical, others were political. Building and operating the desalination plants was expensive. Some countries struggled to afford it. There were disagreements about where to locate the plants and how to share the fresh water. But the biggest challenge was time. The Mediterranean Sea was becoming saltier every day. The project needed to move quickly. Section 6. A sea change. Despite the challenges, the project was a success. Slowly but surely, the salt concentration in the Mediterranean began to decrease. The impact was remarkable. Marine life started to recover. Fish populations increased. Coral reefs began to thrive again. The fresh water from the desalination plants brought relief to communities. Crops flourished. Water shortages became a thing of the past. Section 7. A brighter future. The success of the Mediterranean project has inspired the world. It has become a beacon of hope, demonstrating that with collective effort, we can achieve remarkable outcomes. The project has not only rejuvenated the environment but also brought communities closer together. People from all walks of life have come together, united by a common goal to restore and protect our planet. This unity has sparked a global movement, encouraging other regions to take similar actions. It has shown that it is possible to reverse environmental damage. The once depleted coral reefs are now teeming with life, and the coastal areas, which were previously eroded and barren, have been restored to their former glory. This transformation is a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of our ecosystems when given a chance to heal. The success stories from the Mediterranean project serve as a blueprint for other environmental initiatives around the world. The project has also highlighted the importance of international cooperation. Leaders and delegates from various countries have come together, sharing knowledge, resources, and strategies to combat environmental challenges. This collaboration has fostered a sense of global solidarity, proving that when we work together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. The Mediterranean project has set a precedent for future international environmental efforts, showing that unity is our greatest strength. By working together, we can overcome even the biggest challenges. Volunteers from different backgrounds have joined forces, dedicating their time and energy to the cause. Their efforts have not only made a tangible difference in the environment but have also built lasting bonds and friendships. This sense of community and shared purpose has been a driving force behind the project's success, proving that collective action can lead to extraordinary results. The Mediterranean Sea is a reminder that we are all connected. Its crystal-clear waters and thriving marine life are a testament to what we can achieve when we come together for a common cause. The sea, once threatened by pollution and neglect, now stands as a symbol of hope and renewal. It reminds us that our actions, no matter how small, can have a profound impact on the world around us. What happens in one part of the world affects us all. The interconnectedness of our planet means that environmental issues are not confined to one region. The success of the Mediterranean project has shown that positive change in one area can inspire and influence others globally. It is a call to action for everyone to take responsibility and contribute to the well-being of our planet. Together, we can create a brighter future for generations to come. Section 8. Lessons from the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean project has taught us valuable lessons. These lessons are not just theoretical but are grounded in real-world applications and experiences. The Mediterranean region, with its unique blend of cultures, environments, and challenges, serves as a living laboratory for sustainable practices. The collaboration between local communities, scientists, and policymakers has been instrumental in driving forward these initiatives. Lessons that can be applied to other parts of the world facing similar challenges. For instance, the importance of community involvement cannot be overstated. When people come together with a shared goal, the impact is magnified. This collective effort has led to significant improvements in coastal management, waste reduction, and biodiversity conservation. One lesson is the importance of early action. Proactive measures, such as reforestation and habitat restoration, have shown to be highly effective in mitigating environmental degradation. By planting trees and restoring natural habitats, we not only combat climate change but also enhance the resilience of local ecosystems. The sooner we address environmental problems, the easier they are to solve. Early intervention can prevent small issues from becoming large-scale crises. Regular beach cleanups, for example, help maintain the health of marine environments and prevent pollution from spreading. Another lesson is the power of innovation. The Mediterranean Project has embraced cutting-edge technologies to tackle environmental challenges. From renewable energy solutions like solar and wind power to advanced water purification systems, innovation has been a key driver of progress. By developing new technologies, we can find solutions to even the most complex problems. Scientific research and technological advancements have provided us with tools to monitor, understand, and address environmental issues more effectively. The Mediterranean Project stands as a testament to what can be achieved when innovation and collaboration go hand in hand. Section 9. A Global Perspective. The Mediterranean salt-free revolution is a story of hope. It is a story of what is possible when we put our minds together and work towards a common goal. As we look to the future, let us remember the lessons of the Mediterranean. Let us act early, let us innovate, and let us work together to create a healthier planet for all.